subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Now we have cleared all the parts of digestive system in human beings. But what are the process of digestion in grass-eating animals? So our next topic is digestion in grass-eating animals. Have you observed cows, buffaloes and other grass-eating animals chewing continuously even when they are not eating? They quickly swallow the grass and store it in the part of the stomach called rumen. Here the food gets partially digested and is called cut. But later the cut returns to the mouth in small lumps and the animal chew it. This process is called rumination and these animals are called ruminants. So it's clear the grass-eating animals are called ruminants. The grass is rich in cellulose, a type of carbohydrate. In ruminants like cattle, deer, etc., bacteria present in rumen helps in digestion of cellulose. So this is the reason the animals get digest the grass, but human beings can't do this because the bacteria are necessary for the digestion of this cellulose is only present in these animals, so can digest easily the grass because the cellulose is present in the grass. It's a type of carbohydrate. Many animals, including humans, cannot digest cellulose. Animals like horses, rabbits have a large sac-like structure called caecum between the esophagus and the small intestine. The cellulose of the food is digested here by the action of certain bacteria which are not present in humans. But there are many small organisms which do not have a mouth and a digestive system. Then how do they acquire and digest food? So in the last slide we will discuss about these types of animals. You will learn another interesting way of food intake. So let's start the feeding and digestion in amoeba. All of you know that the amoeba is a microscopic single-celled organism found in pond water. Amoeba has a cell membrane, a rounded, dense nucleus and many small bubble-like vacuoles. In its cytoplasm, amoeba constantly changes its shapes and position. It pushes out one or more finger-like projections called pseudopodia or false feet for movement or capture of food. The meaning of pseudopodia is that the pseudo means false and the podia means feet. So the simple meaning of pseudopodia is false feet. These false feet are present in amoeba and it helps in to intake the food. Amoeba feeds on some microscopic organisms. When it senses food, it pushes out pseudopodia around the food particles and engulfs it. The food becomes trapped in a food vacuole. Digestive juices are secreted into the food vacuole. They act on the food and break it down into simpler substances. The digested food is absorbed. The absorbed substances are used for growth, maintenance and multiplications. The undigested residue of the food is expelled outside by the vacuole. In this chapter, we have studied the animal nutritions, mode of taking of food, the human digestive system, including all parts of human digestive systems, and the steps also included in this system, that are ingestions, digestion, absorptions, assimilation and egestion. And also studied the ruminants. Which animals called ruminants and how they digest the grass. And the single-celled organism amoeba, how they take food and how they digest it. So I hope you understood all the topics that I have explained you. It enhances your knowledge about human digestive systems, about ruminants and interesting animal, the single cell organism amoeba. Okay, good day.